Hello boss babes and bosses out there. So sa video na to, I'm going to share with you kung ano yung next na gagawin nyo after competitive research. Actually, nasa stalking part pa tayo sa ginagawa natin na social media challenge journey. Diba? Ang first natin na stop is competitive research. And hopefully guys, natapos nyo na yung mga assignments natin. Again, dalawa yung output na ina-ask ko dun ha. Yung competitive research nyo and the service package na gagawin nyo with the rates na. Okay? I hope you are done with that. And don't forget to share your link inside sa group natin. And then, proceed na sa video na to. So, after competitive research, we are now going to do a market research. Nasa stalking part tayo. First, sina-stalk natin or ini-investigate natin is yung competitors natin, right? But now, ang isa-stalk naman natin is yung target market natin. Maybe you are asking now, so ano na naman tong market research na ipapagawa mo sa amin after the competitive research? Basically, ito yung pag-research about your target market. Okay, baka hindi nyo din gets kung ano yung sinasabi ko na target market. But I mean sa target market, ito yung mga ideal nyo na clients, ideal nyo na customer, ideal nyo na buyer, yung ganon. So that is what we call target market. Okay? Actually guys, I've already made a video na for this one, market research. Watch this video here later because there I've already shared what is market research, why is it important, and how to do it. Watch this video here later after nyo to mapanood. I will not re-explain it because it will just waste your time. But in this video, I want to emphasize to you why these two research are so important na gawin. Once kasi no, pag we can hear research, parang it's so boring to do na parang, research na naman. Yung ganon. Technically, it's a research. It's more on like stalking or let's say investigating. Like you are trying to learn kung ano yung strategy na ginagawa ng mga competitors mo for the competitive research. While for the market research naman, it's like checking kung ano yung work kadalasan ng audience mo, ng clients mo, or ng customer mo, yung ganon. What is their salary range? Basically all. As much as you would like to know about the competitors, you should also know more about your prospect customers, prospect clients, yung ideal audience nyo. Mas dapat yung kailangan silang malaman at maintindihan. In this way, you can position yourself much better sa market. By doing these two researches then, mas makaka-implement kayo ng effective strategy to handle your client's social media account or your social media account. Kasi malalaman mo for example for me. For example, nakikita ko, okay, more on mga OFW pala ang nag-watch ng mga videos ko. So, I can always target OFWs sa mga content ko. Like, if I will talk or I will create a content, I will always put in my mind na, okay, dapat ang makarelate nito ang mga OFW. Kasi sila yung target market ko So, the more na mas madali silang makarelate sa content mo, the more na mag-i-engage sila, always na lang iintayin ang content mo, and the more that they will trust you. And if they will trust you, they will buy your products or services. Diba? That's the reason why you really have to do a research. Though it's a boring thing to do, for me it's a boring thing. Like, this is not the part that I like, yung research stalking stage na titignan ko yung mga ginagawa sa competitor at titignan ko yung mga ginagawa ng mga prospect clients ko. Pero hindi ko bet yung mga ganun na kind of thing. Mas gusto ko yung content creation talaga. Yung gumagawa na talaga ako ng content. But to be honest guys, by knowing your competitors and by knowing your target market, it's really easier talaga to make content na madaling makaka-relate sa audience mo. Be researching for the competitors, no? I always do that, especially if medyo hindi ako sure sa gagawin ko na content. I will look at the tone of voice sa mga competitors. If they are always putting reels, tinitignan ko paano yung mga graphics na nilalagay nila. Always ba silang nagpo-post ng mga valuable info or like more on selling lang talaga. Chine-check ko yung mga ganon to make sure that yung gagawin ko ng mga content is really good for the brand, na mas makaka-relate yung audience ko, yung ganon. Hindi lang to for the chart. Like, this is really an important phase in handling a business account. I hope it's clear na sa inyo why you have to do the competitive research and market research. Now, for this video natin, isa lang yung output na gusto kong makita. But we have 4 assignments that I want you to do. But don't worry, this is just, very step-by-step lang. That's why marami siya. Okay, the first one, watch the video here. Itong video na to, again, as what I have mentioned kanina, it's very important that you watch that video because detailed kong in-explain what is market research. And nandyan din sa video on how you can download the free sample questions that you can use if you will do a market research. Now, for the assignment number 2, ito na yung gusto ko ng output talaga, na meron kayong isend sa akin na output nito. This is to make your own client or customer avatar. I want you to watch this video here. Meron dyang step by step, like literally, through ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng ideal client profile, or what we call customer or client avatar, or let's say buyer persona. Okay, ang daming kind of term, no? Pero just the same lang yan. You can watch this video here, follow that step by step, and then for the third assignment, upload your client avatar na PDF kasi meron siyang ma-download eh. Upload that one again sa Google Drive na ginawa niyo last time, right? Diba ang ginawa niyo is the lesson 3 competitive research na folder. Now, I want you to make another folder which is lesson 4 market research. I-upload niyo doon ang client avatar niyo. Okay? That's assignment number 3. And assignment number 4, comment down sa baba if you are done na doing the step 1, step 2, and step 3. Just let me know if meron kayong follow-up questions kasi hindi ko na sagot yung mga questions nyo in mind, no? Please feel free to comment it below or message us sa Facebook page natin at BossedUp PH. Again, don't forget to share the link sa Google Drive nyo inside sa Facebook groups natin. For public, I'm ready to BossedUp by BossedUp. Doon nyo i-share. For private, becoming a social media manager, a BossedUp challenge. Doon nyo din i-share yung link for the lesson 4. And yeah, if you like this kind of video and you want to join the challenge, click the playlist below kasi pang lesson 4 na to. So you have to catch up na for the lesson 1, 2, and 3. But don't worry kasi simple pa lang naman yung ginagawa natin. So you can for sure catch up pa. Don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page at BossedUp PH. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. And follow us on our Instagram accounts at BossedUp and at BossedUp PH. So yeah, hope to see you guys on our next challenge. Bye!